Discover the Friction Stir Welding Spindle, compatible with any high payload robot. Thanks to an automatic tool change, the Stirweld FSW Spindle for robots allows both machining and friction stir welding. Let's begin the welding demonstration. With the FSW Spindle, you can weld 3D parts, large parts, and panel longer than 10 meters. The spindle is highly instrumented in order to ensure high quality monitoring and control perfectly the welding process. Thanks to the human-machine interface, you can precisely follow many parameters: FSW vibration management, tilt angle monitoring, including weld temperature measurement. Welding is complete. Upgrade your existing robots with a Stirweld FSW Spindle and get a hybrid tool combining welding and machining. Interested? Contact us.